The 4-bar multifunctional pants shooting styling rack. It is a simulation of human joints that can be flexibly bent and shaped. It's a pants shooting styling artifact. The waist bracket can be hung with fishing line. Loosen it. This round nut can adjust the width. These 4 strong spring bent tubes are installed under the waist bracket. Bend it hard. Can adjust the angle of the hip joint. The thigh telescopic rod and knee joint elbow are installed under the hip joint elbow. Can be adjusted in length. The joint elbow can be bent into shapes. 4 calf telescopic rods are installed under the knee joint elbow, which can also be adjusted in length by adjusting multiple joint elbows. Various trouser leg shapes can be made. It is suitable for flat shooting of pants or by bending the joints. Flexible creativity to make various unique 3-dimensional shapes. A new design of DIY accessories for 4-pole trouser rack. The horizontal brace. Turn down the calf telescopic rod of the 4-pole hanger. Put the round hole of the cross brace onto the screw of the telescopic rod, and then install it back. The crossbar can also adjust the width. It's suitable for trousers and wide leg pants. It is suitable for pants that need to be fully stretched. Requirements: when installing the 4-pole trouser hanger, when installing the foam tube, remove the fish line first. On the elbow, put on a 17 cm long foam tube. Then put the fish line back on. On the white elbow below, also put on a 17 cm foam tube. Then we put a screw plate on the top. Put a screw piece on it and screw it in. This prevents the foam tube from slipping. On the thigh rod, put a 30 cm long foam tube on it. At the top of the calf telescopic rod, also put a screw piece on it and install it to prevent the foam tube from slipping. To suit different lengths of pants for shooting needs, we have prepared different lengths of foam pipes you can choose to use. After installing the last section of foam tube, you can add a screw plate and a screw to fix it at the bottom to prevent the foam tube from slipping. In this way, the foam tube can also be adjusted with the telescopic rod to adjust the length to suit different shooting needs.